Bonjour, this is our day 4 of our 12 days of FRENCHMAS. And today, guys, it's competition time. So let's see who makes the most beautiful bûche de Noël. Christmas logs. Alors, bonjour tout le monde.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Do you know what we're about to do now?
No.
No.
We are about to decorate a bûche de Noël, Christmas log in English, okay? So what I thought we would do to spice it up a bit is that it's a competition, girls, okay? So we have to decorate, I've got mine as well, okay? We all have a Swiss roll, well, roulé, okay? And what we are going to do, and obviously we didn't make that, okay, I'm not that good. We're going to decorate it. So you've got some chocolat ici, vanille aussi, à la crème de beurre. Vous avez du sucre du sucre glace, icing sugar, et aussi beaucoup de petites décorations pour vous. Voilà les petites décorations. On a des petites, paillettes qui se mangent, bien sûr. Un petit sapin de Noël, un petit papa Noël de Noël, un petit bonhomme de neige, on a besoin des petits bonhommes de neige. Et il y a beaucoup de petites fleurs de sapin. On dirait que ça, c'est une petite boule de neige. Enfin, je ne sais pas ce que c'est. Enfin bref, you have a lot of things here. Now, Adam, at the end of this exercise or competition, will decide which one is the best. So we all know who is going to win. No, moi. Okay. Okay, girls, so let's start. And I will tell you a little bit about the Christmas log, or unless you have any questions for me, la bûche de Noël.
What's bûche mean?
Alors, that's a very good question, Maria or Yaya. What would you like to be called? Yaya or Maria in this one?
Yaya, it's fine.
Yaya, bûche is not bouche. Now, be very careful with that. Bouche is the mouth in French, okay? But bûche is a log. So, a bûche de Noël is a Christmas log. And what's very interesting is, do you know what we called a lumberjack?
No.
A bush top.
It's not quite that, but use the word bûche in it.
Bûche monsieur.
Not bûche monsieur, okay? But the lumberjack is called a bûcheron.
Bûcheron.
It's a bûcheron, a lumberjack. So it comes from a logsmith a bit, you know, that's like we say. Okay, so go for it. I'm going to go for this color, I think. Okay, on commence, d'accord? On commence.
Will you scream, please?
Okay.
This one?
Oh ben non, mais moi j'en ai besoin aussi. Alors attends, voilà. C'est bon. La mienne va être blanche. Now, do you know where the tradition of the bûche comes from?
No. Tell us.
No?
Egypt.
It doesn't come from Egypt, no. Well, I wouldn't think so. I know that it's quite a European tradition, actually. Of course, in the Middle Ages, they didn't make Christmas log cake, did they? First of all, they didn't have much access to sugar, I don't think, in the Middle Age, unless you were extremely wealthy. So it comes from a proper log that the people around Christmas used to put in their fireplace, okay? So they used to get their best log from fruit trees, from any trees that will bring them luck during the year, okay? So what they did is that they used to take this log, okay, and they used to sprinkle something like wine on top of it, or salt, or holy water, or something like that, okay? Yeah, could I have the white as well, please?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, what are you doing? What's happening? I don't think you're going to win.
Of course I am.
You have a look at my one.
Okay. So what they used to do is they used to throw this log in the fireplace And then this log had to burn the same log for at least 3 days.
Really?
And if it did, it brought them good luck.
Wow.
You see?
Wait, they burnt the. Oh,
The log.
Yeah.
Not the cake, because
No,
they
yeah.
didn't make a cake.
I was
And
gonna say.
that's where the origin of making a cake back in, we'd say, beginning of the 20th century. This is very much where it started. But the tradition of the Christmas log. Oh, look what you're doing, Maria. I might copy that.
What a cheek.
Okay. So then the actual proper like wood log started back in what are you doing, Satie? We don't have that much time, by the way.
I know
Okay,
what I'm
just
doing.
another 4 minutes and we are
Oh, what?
done. Okay, thank
It's
you.
a lorry.
Okay,
It's not a lorry.
okay. And so that's the story. And what they did, and what's interesting about this Christmas log thing, is that it had to burn for at least 3 days in order to bring good luck.
Oh.
You see, and ideally until the 1st of January. Did you just make that? Can you hurry, please? Merci.
I'm doing it.
Okay, très bien. And then another thing which is quite interesting is what did they do with the ashes of the log once it was burnt? Did you know that? What they did? What do you think they did?
Sold it.
They didn't sell it.
They buried it.
They did not bury it. No. Oh wow! Oh wow! Okay. Okay, I think I've got to get on with mine. Voilà, je vais faire un petit peu comme ça. Je vais mettre du ou. Alors regardez, ça c'est du ou. Ok. Voici du ou, which is holly in French. Je vais peut-être mettre un petit sapin de Noël aussi. I'm going to put a Christmas tree. Un petit sapin de Noël. Très bien. Et un petit oiseau. Petit oiseau. Ok. Voilà, un petit oiseau. Très bien. Et puis aussi, peut-être des petites fleurs. Des petites fleurs. Des petites fleurs. Voilà, comme ça. So, what did they do with the ashes? Well, they believed that it would protect them against lightning strikes.
Oh.
And so that was kept. And not only was it kept for lightning strikes, it was also actually used for medicinal purposes. So throughout the year, with these special good luck ashes, they made medicine. They made medicine. I love what you're doing, Maria. Très bien. Satie, oh dear, oh dear, oh
I'm
dear.
doing something.
Okay. Okay. Let's have a look at mine. I think I could add something else. Now, do you have any other questions to ask me? Not that I would be able to answer. We never know.
But did the family eat it in the afterwards?
You mean the proper wooden log?
No, they used to make log cake as well, didn't they?
No, not in the
Ah.
Middle Ages. No, and that's how the log obviously started.
All right.
The tradition of the log. So,
All right.
but no, they did not eat the ashes. Okay. Okay. Voilà. Not quite sure what I'm doing. It's just purely because I've got this that I'm doing it. Okay. J'ai fini, je crois. Quite chuffed with that one. Okay. On a bientôt fini?
Fini.
Oui?
Oui.
Satie?
I think I'm done.
Ok. Ok, très bien. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a utilisé? On peut voir un petit peu. Alors, I'm going to ask Adam to decide which one is the best bûche de Noël. Okay, Adam, can you hear us over there?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Ok, alors, this is what we are going to do. Now you're going to sell it to us, okay? I'm going to start with mine. This is the most beautiful French log in the world, and it has a tiny little bird here, which is actually watching people pass by. And it has, it's white, it's very elegant, and I think this should win. Okay, Satie, à toi.
Have you ever thought, well, Santa sleighs, they're not real. So I thought with my brain that, you know,
Your brain.
cars,
Thank God for that.
they're
Goodness
much
for
more
them.
real than sleighs.
I like the little touch. I'm not sure whether
So-
you can see that. It has the
And the driver.
So I thought I'd represent.
the snowman or bonhomme de neige coming out of this. Is it a car?
Yes, it's a car.
Okay, go on and carry on.
There's a little, because Rudolph, he's not real, is he?
Of course he is. Absolutely. Rudolph le Renne is absolutely real. Of course he is.
But
Yeah.
sleighs aren't. Let's be real. Come on, he's obviously driving a car everywhere and dropping off all the presents and that.
Is he
So,
really? Okay.
Here's Rudolph and here's Santa's friend and here's Santa himself
Because it's modern
because
day.
it's modern day. I put
Okay.
a modern twist on.
Onto your
Christmas.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, très bien. Yaya, à
And
toi.
I know that mine looks the same as the lady over there, but she copied me.
No, I didn't.
So mine is a little, just that bit more better than hers.
Yeah, you certainly
will-
have gone for it in terms of decorations. I'm very, very impressed.
Why
Okay.
is he upside down?
Because he's asleep.
Oh, he's asleep, so he's upside
Yeah,
down.
Did you
Yes.
sleep
Sleep.
upside down?
Yes.
Okay, so Adam will be the judge. I can't obviously judge this competition because I'm in it. Number 1 is mine, numéro 1, numéro 2, et numéro 3. So Adam,
Vote's
shout
now
a
open.
number
What a
for
terrible.
who is the
position.
best and who is going to win a special bonbon from me.
And the winner is numero 2.
In it though.
See, we don't mind. But it is
I knew it.
different.
I would not have voted for numéro 2,
Look,
which
it's
is
like an engineering
it's a bit-
achievement.
Yes, okay, fair enough. Numéro 2, voici ton prix. Voici ton petit prix. Okay, your prize, ton cadeau, ton...
No, but I have to say.
I'd like to thank no one because it was all me.
You're so old.
Okay, well done. Remember the word for Christmas log is la bûche de Noël. So why don't you have a look, go at it and decorate your own bûche de Noël. If you're brave enough and if you have time, make your own bûche de Noël. But I know that this is the easiest way to do it. So why don't you guys pull this papillote de Noël? Okay, watch out. Ouais, you win again.
Yay.
Très bien. Et qu'est-ce qu'il y a à l'intérieur?
Oh, what is it in there?
Mm.
Oh, c'est un
Massage.
poisson.
I love these.
It's a
A
little fish. C'est un petit poisson. And what's
Oh,
the
it's
joke
good, I like
inside?
the fish.
Okay, here we go. And the joke is of today in English is, what do mice do in the daytime?
Sleep.
Mousework.
Ah, mousework.
I get it. Oh,
Like
You
housework.
don't
You know, I
get
got
it.
No, that's because
it's
you
not funny.
never do
No.
mousework.
Yes, that's because you never do
Put out your
mousework.
Okay, that's it for me. Au revoir. À bientôt. And what do we say, girls?
Bisous, bisous.
Bisous,
Bisous, bisous.
Salut.
Bye.
Bye.
Salut.
Salut.
Salut, salut.